we've had some questions in the past about the batteries. Now we're going to put a brand new set of pipes on this bike. So one thing we don't want to have happen is we don't want battery acid on the pipes or the frame or anything. Actually, I don't like battery acid. Now the old batteries had a vent tube that came down, and a lot of pipes and stuff are gooned because of the battery acid. We're going to eliminate that. Now we put this battery, this is a sealed battery, and we got it mounted on the side. This is a YTX12-BS. It's made by Yuasa. It's not really authentic, but it's a better battery than stock, and we don't have a battery vent tube, which we don't like the battery vent tube. So the only bad thing about this is you can see the ground straps right here. So, you know, once you have the side cover on from a distance, you can see the sticker. That sticker could come off, I guess. And here's the battery terminal. From Yuasa. It's called a YTX12-BS. We sell them here at the shop, and we can ship them to you. What you do is, I'm not going to do it to this one, but you got this tape right here. It's like a foil tape. You pull this off, and then you have the 6 holes. Then you have this already preloaded battery acid. So what you do, you take this black piece off the cap, you dump it inside there, and you let it set for about 10 or 15 minutes until all the acid's gone and all be inside here. That way it'll give it time to suck it all up in the cells. Then when you're done, this cap here that you've already taken off will go on here. And this will be your permanent cap for the battery. Now, normally the battery is shaped a little bit different, so what we do is we're putting them in sideways like that. But there's no vent tube, and this is the cap for the top, so this works out real well. We're just starting to use these. We believe that Yuasa is the best battery money can buy at this time. And another reason we like this so much is we don't have to butcher the battery box, which a lot of people have done in the past for the KZ900. So there you are.